Welcome to living in Tahoe. It is the summertime and it's raining. Every now and then we do get a rainstorm in Tahoe, so I wanted to shoot a video to prove it to you. Lake Tahoe averages 300 days of sunshine a year. I love that average. This is the one day it's not sunny in the summertime. The good news is it is late in September. Fall is just a couple weeks away, but with this rain, we get that in the summertime every now and then, and the trails start getting dusty. This will knock those trails down so there's no dust. So there's some great mountain biking, some great hiking going on. And then it kind of washes things out. The trees feel healthy. We did have a fire, so it's good to get things wet again. So I'm very happy. A couple of days of rain. It's gonna be beautiful again next week, up to 70 degrees. So I'm looking forward to that. But today, let's check out this house. We are in Zephyr Cove. We're at 699 Lakeview. And aptly named because we do have a view of the lake. Hope you can see that. It's kind of socked in with clouds right now. I kind of like the variances. Here's some pictures of what it looks like when it's sunny. It's absolutely gorgeous. But today it's socked in. We've got some clouds, but we've got a cute little house here. 699 Lakeview. It was built in 1952. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 2 stories. Each story has a bath. And I love it. It's really cute. It's on 0.2 of an acre. It's listed for $1,299,888. Right around 1,700 square feet on 0.2 of an acre. And like I said, it was built in 1952. So could you imagine being here in 1952, 1953? I mean, just must have been amazing back then. Frank Sinatra was singing in the casinos. Pretty cool time. Great time now though. A little more developed than it probably was in 1952. There's houses that aren't too close on this. I like it. Got great privacy over here and this massive deck. You know how much Tahoe Tony loves his deck. Speaking of Tahoe Tony, that is who I am. Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for EXP Luxury Real Estate in Lake Tahoe, on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And let's go check out this house. It's really cute. It's gonna be fun. It's been refurbished since 1952, so let's go see what they've done. One thing I love about this house, it's got a level entrance. You come right into the main floor. Let's check this out. And again, you see the beautiful deck out there and the lake view. Just over here to the left, we have the dining room. They could use a little bit brighter lighting here, but I think it's because it's so gray outside today, which is so rare for Tahoe. So we've got to shoot this video on those rare days. We've got a full bath right here for this floor. Cute little bathroom, just very simple, sink, shower, tub, everything you need, nothing else. They did a great job of putting these windows on here to take in the view. I think that was pretty smartly done. Sometimes with these little cabins, they don't have a lot of windows because they wanted to conserve energy. Well, not in this one. They put in some nice windows. These are all nicely upgraded windows, very beautiful. We've got a wood stove here, so you can heat up the house. Great little wood stove. And then we have a wall heater here. So this is your natural gas heat for the house. And then you've got a wood stove to help supplement that. And as I'm talking, I've been walking into the kitchen area, and just this massive kitchen area. You could easily put like a little breakfast table here. I could see that would be fun. Or if you want to do a center island, or maybe put in some kind of bar here or something would be fun, I think. But massive kitchen, lots of counter space for a little 1,700 square foot house. And as you know, Tahoe Tony likes to do the dishes and look at the lake at the same time. So perfect combination here of being able to look at the lake. And if you do have friends out there, I would probably like take this screen off. So if I had food, I could pass the food out to my friends on the deck. But there is a door right here. So probably don't need to do that. But in one of my houses, I did that. I just took the screen off the window and we just passed the food right out and made it really simple to serve people. Another thing I like about this kitchen is since this is a south-facing house with all these windows, they put in an air conditioner split. So this air conditioner split is gonna cool this place down on those warm days in the summertime. We get a few of those. That's gonna make it really comfortable, very smart. And those are a bit spendy too, probably about 12, 13, maybe $14,000 to put that in. So they didn't skimp on that. I love that. They've got 1 bedroom on this floor. So again, I haven't had to go up any stairs. So this is really nice. If you got people who aren't very mobile, we've got a nice sized bedroom here, probably the biggest bedroom in the place. Some closets, some little storage up there, ceiling fan, and some nice windows. So the door right here in the middle of the house, goes downstairs. We've got a game room and a couple more bedrooms, so let's go check it out. So downstairs, this is the fun part of the house. Upstairs, we have the nice big deck with the big lake views. Down here, we've got a great little room. We've got a bar in here with a refrigerator and a pool table. So with a house like this and lake view like this, you're gonna have a lot of friends coming up and you're gonna wanna entertain them. So this is a great place to entertain your friends. I think they did a cute, wonderful job with this. Another great feature about this house is the yard is fully fenced. So if you've got kids, young kids or dogs, you don't have to worry about it. You've got an access here downstairs. You've got access here to the yard, and then stairs go up on deck. So if you're out on the deck, you can come down and vice versa. But it's really nice having access. You can just let the dogs out. If you wanted to, you could do a dog door, or a pet door, whatever, to get people in and out. Because some of the houses is really weird. I don't understand why, but they don't have access downstairs to get outside. So if you want to go outside, you have to go upstairs to get outside. It seems silly. So this one, very smart. They put a door to the outside access and the nice big fenced yard. It's great. Down here, remember this house was built in 1952, so it wasn't designed for all the modern conveniences we have. So they put in laundry room, we've got a water heater here, and then we've got the full bath for this floor. So we've got 2 bedrooms on this floor. So we've got a full bath that services those 2 bedrooms, plus all your guests that you're entertaining. So just off the bar, we've got another good sized bedroom here with windows facing the lake. And then we've got another little bedroom over here. That's probably the smallest bedroom in the house, but still pretty good sized bedroom. You could fit a double size or maybe even a queen size bed in there. And they did a great little job with this house. Totally refurbished, I love it. So like I said, this house is in Zephyr Cove, which means Nevada Beach. I did a video on that a few weeks ago. It's a big, beautiful public beach. It's gorgeous. That's just down the road, very close, about 10 minutes away. All the big casinos and all the nightlife, entertainment, and amazing restaurants, and the Harvey's outdoor concert arena. It's open in the summertime. Edgewood Golf Course is over there. Great location for this property. So you're not right in the heart of all that craziness going on, but you're 10 minutes by car. So great location, nice little house. If you want to live in Tahoe, reach out to me. Every day I get phone calls and emails and text messages from people just like you who want to make the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada, and I love it. So if you're thinking about making the move in 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 16 months, reach out to me. Let me know what you like to do, and I guarantee you your move to Nevada will be the best real estate experience you've ever had. I shot this house when it was raining because I want to show you it does rain in Tahoe sometimes in the summertime, but I wanted to come back on a sunny day and show you how beautiful it is out here in the setting because it's a cute little house, completely refurbished, remodeled, and it's got a great setting. So I wanted to come back out and show you what the street looks like and what the view is like. It's a great setting back here, so I hope you take that into consideration.